What if you knew that the shaded area is 6a square units and you want to find the exact value of a? That's easily done using integration. So what we just need to do is to draw the integration sign, and we want to do it from minus a to a. And now we're going to put the function that we're integrating, which is x squared plus 2. And this function is going to be integrated with respect to x. In our usual way, we put square brackets and we integrate x squared, which is x to the cubed over 3, and 2x. Close the square brackets. Our lower limit is going to be minus a, and our upper limit is going to be a. And substituting the upper values first, we'll get a to the power of 3 over 3 plus 2a, and substituting minus a cubed over 3 plus 2 times minus a, and tidy up with this algebra, so we'll have a cubed over 3 plus 2a, which is okay, but now negative a cubed is going to be a negative a cubed over 3. So we can open up that bracket, minus 2a. Once again, continue. Let's do another cleanup here. So that's a cubed plus 2a. Minus and a minus gives you a plus. A cubed over 3, and a minus gives you also a plus 2a. So that ends up, adding the cubes together, we'll have 2a cubed over 3 and 4a. Okay, finish the integration, and we can say that this implies that it is equal to 6a, because we were told that the area is 6a. So more algebra here, and we have 2a cubed over 3 is equal to 2a, because I've put the 4a onto the other side. And one more go, 2a cubed is equal to 6a. And one more time, painfully slow as it is, but we will get there, is equal to 3a, because now we divided this 6 by the 2. And because I want to solve for a, I will say that I'll bring everything to the left-hand side, and I'll say a to the 3 minus 3a is equal to 0. And now I can factorize this, so I'll say that a squared minus 3 is equal to 0. And I have 3 values of a. A can be either 0, or a can be either plus or minus root 3. Now the question specifically asks us to find the a because the area is 6a. So a has to be greater than 0, because area has to be more than 0, it cannot be negative. So we cannot use a is equal to 0, because that will not make any sense. We have 2 other solutions. One is area can be root 3, or area could be, or a could be negative root 3. Now if I use a as negative root 3, then multiplied by 6, and I'll get a negative number. So once again, that one is not going to be applicable. My only applicable answer is that a can only be root 3.